8th standard students. Now we will start exercise 2.4. Now some more applications you will do yourself, and if you are having any query you can ask me. 2 illustrations are there. Now exercise 2.4, first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 upon 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So let the number be x. Then from x subtract 5 by 2, and result you will multiply by 8. Then original number multiply by 3. Both the numbers new numbers, and in the original number if we are multiplying by 3, both the numbers are equal. Now we have to calculate the number. So let us start the sum. So first we will assume let the number be x. After subtracting 5 by 2 from x, the number will be x minus 5 by 2. Now we will multiply x minus 5 by 2 by 8. Then new number will be 8 in the bracket x minus 5 by 2. Now according to word problem, 8x minus 5 by 2 is equal to 3x, because in the original number if we are multiplying by 3, the new number and original number both will be equal. So at x minus 8 into 5 by 2 equal to 3x. At x minus 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 4 5s are 20 equal to 3x. At x minus 3x equal to 20, 5x equal to 20, x equal to 20 by 5, so x equal to 4. So the number is 4. Now next is a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So first we will assume positive number, and then 5 times another number. Now we will add 21 in both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So let us start the sum. So let us start second question. Let the number be x, then another number will be 5x, 5 times. Now according to word problem, what? When we will add both the sides 21. So in the new number 21 and in the original number 21. So the new number will be twice of the original number. So we want to put equal sign. So we will multiply 2 by the original number. Okay, after adding 21. So next step will be 2x plus 42, 21 into 2, and then you can solve and you can find the value of x. Now third one, sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. So first we will assume x, then x we will subtract from 9, we will get another number, then we will form the number, then we'll change the digits of the number. That means ones place will become tens, and tens place number will become at ones place. So let us start the sum. In third question, let the units digit number be x, then tens digit number will be. See here it is clearly written the sum of 2-digit numbers is 9. Suppose that I am choosing 72, so 7 plus 2 is equal to 9 in this way. So we are assuming unit digit number be x, and tens digit number we don't know, and the sum is 9. So tens digit number will be 9 minus x. So I am writing here, then tens digit number will be 9 minus x. Then number will be, for showing tens digit we are multiplying by 10 in 9 minus x, and x into 1 unit digit number will be x. So number will be 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Now after changing the digits, so unit digits number will be at tens place. So after interchanging the digits, the new number will be 10x plus 9 minus x. Now 9 minus x is at ones place and x is at tens place. Now according to word problem, what? The new number is 27 greater than the original number. So we will add 27 in the original number because it is already greater than the original number. So for putting equal sign, we will add 27 in the original number. So 10 nines are 90 minus 10x plus x plus 27 equal to 10x plus 9 minus x. Now you can see 90 plus 27 minus 10x, x minus 9x, and 90 plus 27, 117 equal to 10x minus x, 9x plus 9. So next step will be 117 minus 9x is equal to 9x plus 9 minus 9x. Here is opposite of equal side, minus 9x, equal sign as it is, 9 as it is, minus 117. Two negative numbers, so 9x and 9x minus 18x equal to 9 minus, so greater number is having negative sign, so minus 108. So minus minus cancel, so x equal to 108 upon 18, so 18 6 are 108. So the unit digit number is 6. Then tens digit number, we assumed 9 minus x, so 9 minus 6 is 3. So the number is 36. After interchanging the number, 63, and it is 27. 63 is 27 more than the 36. If you want to check your sum. Now for sum, one of the two digit of a two digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Okay. One of the two digit of a two digit number is 3 times the other digit. Unit digit, we will assume x, then 3x will be tens digit number, 3 times of the other digit. Okay. So let us start the sum. Let the units digit number be x, then tens digit number will be 3x. Now the number is, for in the 3x we will multiply by 10 because tens digit number is there, and x ones are x, unit digit. So 10 3s are 30, 30x plus x, 31x. After interchanging the digits, the new number will be tens digit number will be 8 ones digit, and ones digit will be tens digit. So 10x plus 3x, that means 10x plus 3x is 13x. Now if we add according to word problem, if original number and new number we will add, we will get result 88. Now you can solve the sum, and unit digit number and tens digit number you will calculate. Now fifth sum, Saroj's mother's present age is 6 times Saroj's present age. So Saroj's present age we will assume x, and then Saroj's mother's age will be 6x. Saroj's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So we will start the sum. So fifth solution is, let the Saroj's present age be x in years. Then her mother's age will be 6x. 6 times, it is written clearly, so 6x in years. Now after 5 years, so after 5 years, according to word problem, Saroj's age will be 1/3 of her mother's age. But we want to put equal sign to frame an equation. So we will take 1/3 of her mother's age, or 3 into x plus 5 we can write 3x plus 3 5s are 15 equal to 6x plus 5. Then find the value of x. So Saroj's age you will get, and then multiply by 6. So her mother's age you will get. Okay. And if any query you can ask me. Now, sixth question, there is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio, whatever ratio is given, we will multiply a common number that we don't know, so we will multiply x here. So length and breadth we will assume. At the rate rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? That means first perimeter we will calculate, and then First ratio is given, so we will multiply in the ratio a number that is unknown. The meaning of ratio is, if ratio is given, so that a common number is like that, we will multiply, so we will get actual value. Okay, so let us start solution. So first we will assume, let the length of the rectangular plot be 11x in meter and breadth be 4x in meter. Now perimeter of a rectangular plot is equal to 2 length in the bracket length plus breadth. It is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. So we will put the value. So 2 into 11x plus 4x is equal to 2 into 15x. So 30x in meter. Now given, it is given the cost to fence the plot is rupees 100 per meter. That means for 1 meter the cost is rupees 100. Now perimeter, total perimeter is this. So whatever meter we are having, we will multiply by 100, because for 1 meter 100 rupees. So for this much of meter, 100 into 36, so rupees 3000x. Now according to word problem, 3000x is equal to 75,000 rupees, because it is given village panchayat is given 75,000 rupees. So whatever money according to us, we are getting 3000x, and from the textbook 75,000 rupees. So both the values will be equal. Now you will find the value of x, then length is equal to 11x. So in the length you will put the value of x, you will get length, and similarly you will get breadth, because breadth is 4x. So 4 into dash, whatever value you are getting of x, then you can find length and breadth. It is incomplete question. Hassan buys 2 kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 3 meters of the shirt material, he buys 2 meters of the trouser material. He sells the materials at 12% and 10% profit respectively. So for shirt, he is gaining 12%, and for trouser 10%. His total sale is rupees 36,600. How much trouser material did he buy? So let us start the solution. Children, in this question it is clearly written, on every 3 meter of shirt material he is purchasing 2 meter of the trouser material. So same number we will multiply, because whatever quantity, the ratio will be this 3:2. So let 3x meter of the shirt material and 2x meter of the trouser material bought by Hassan. Now it is given that the cost of shirt material is rupees 50 per meter and trouser material is rupees 90 per meter. Now profit on 1 meter of shirt material is equal to 12% of 50. So 50 into 12 upon 100. Why 100 we are putting in the denominator? Because we are removing the sign of percentage. So 50 into 12 upon 100, 0 cancel by 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. So rupees 6 is the profit on 1 meter of shirt material. Then selling price of 1 meter of shirt material will be CP plus profit. So CP is 50 and profit is 6. So rupees 56. Now the selling price of 1 meter of shirt material, CP plus profit. So CP is 50 plus 6, rupees 56. Similarly for trouser material, profit in rupees 10% of 90. So 10 into 90 upon 100, so rupees 9. So selling price of 1 meter of trouser material is equal to rupees 99. Now according to word problem, selling price of 1 meter of shirt material 56, and he purchased this much of. So selling price of this much of shirt material. Similarly 99 into 2x. So and total sale is 36,600 rupees. It is not decimal, by mistake you can see here dot. Okay, by mistake when I was rubbing the board. So 56 into 3, 168x plus 99 into 2, 198x equal to 36,600 rupees. Now you will add these two quantities and then find the value of x, and that value if you will multiply in this shirt material, total quantity of shirt material purchased by Hassan you will get, and similarly you will get for trouser. So it is also incomplete. You will complete it, and if you are having any query you can ask me. Now next question, 8th one. Half of the herd of deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. We don't know, so what we will assume? Let the number of deer in the herd be x. Then x by 2 are grazing in the field. So left will be x by 2. And 3/4 of the remaining are playing. So 3/4 of x by 2 are playing, and plus 9. So x by 2 plus 3 by 4 of x by 2 and plus 9. We will get total number of deer. Okay. So let us start the solution. So in 9th question, first we will assume let the number of deer be x. Now number of deer grazing in the field, half. So x by 2. Now left number of deer is equal to half is left, because half deer are grazing in the field. Now number of deer playing nearby, 3/4 of half left number of deer. So 3 into x and 4 2s are 8. Now number of deer drinking water is equal to 9. Now according to word problem, x by 2 grazing in the field, 3x by 8 playing, plus 9 deer are drinking water. So total number of deer we will get, that is x. Or we can write in this way also, x equal to x by 2 plus 3x upon 8 plus 9. 9 is returned, so in the denominator we can put 1. Now take LCM. So 8 will be LCM. Divide 2. So 2 4s are 8. 8 you will divide by 2. So 2 4s are 8. 4 1s are 4. So 4x. 8 1s are 8. So 3x as it is. And directly 8 will be multiplied in 9. So 9 8s are 72. 4x plus 3x is 7x. So 8x minus 7x is equal to 72. So x equal to 72. So total number of deer is 72. Now 9th one. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. So first granddaughter's age we will assume x in years and multiply by 10. We will get grandfather's age. Okay. So let us start the solution. First we will assume let the granddaughter's age be x in years. Then grandfather's age will be 10x, 10 times older than 10x. And according to word problem, it is written grandfather is 54 years elder than granddaughter. So according to us 10x, and in the book it is clearly written if granddaughter's age x, we will add 54, we will get grandfather's age. So in both the conditions, both the values should be equal. So 10x equal to x plus 54. Now you will find the value of x, so you will get answer. Now 10th one. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Son's age will be, what we will assume, x. Then Aman's age will be 3x. 10 years ago he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. So let us start the solution. So first we will assume let the son's age be x in years. Then Aman's age will be 3x in years. Now 10 years ago both the ages were x minus 10 and 3x minus 10. We will subtract 10 because we are talking before 10 years. Okay. Now 10 years ago father's age is already 3 times then son's age. So 5. So first we will assume let the son's age be x in years. Then Aman's age will be 3x in years. It is written 3 times. 10 years ago son's age was x minus 10. We will subtract 10 and father's age 3x minus 10. Present age is this. And you can write here also let the present age of son be. Okay, change the statement. Now according to word problem, what? Before 10 years father's age 5 times of son's age, but we want to put equal sign, so we will multiply 5 in son's age. So equation we will form 5 x minus 10 is equal to 3x minus 10, 5 into x minus 5 to 10, 50. So next step will be 5x minus 50 is equal to 3x minus 10. Then find the value of x and multiply it by 3. So x is the present age of son and multiply by 3x. That means 3 into x, whatever value you are getting, that will be father's age. That means Aman's present age. So here 2.4 is finished. Complete your notebook.